CODA, meaning CODA, Child of Deaf Adult, is an abbreviation for Child of Deaf Adult, S. CODA is most commonly used to refer to a hearing individual who has a deaf parent or parents, as well as a deaf guardian or guardians. It does not always relate to a child. The term a child refers to a family tie rather than a certain age. The abbreviation CODA, which stands for Kid of Deaf Adults, is frequently used to indicate that a person is under the age of 18. The term Child of Deaf Adults utilizes the term deaf in a broad meaning to describe someone who is wholly or partially deaf. In other situations, the capitalized form deaf is often used to refer to deaf people's culture or community, and sometimes even more precisely to individuals who utilize American Sign Language (ASL) as their primary mode of communication. Some people, on the other hand, may use the capitalized term deaf in all situations, including when writing out the acronym CODA. CODA is spoken as a word rather than as a series of letters, that is, not like CODA. It's most commonly used as a noun to refer to someone like this, as in as CODAs, we have a special relationship with the deaf population. As in CODA culture or CODA organizations, CODA may also be used as an adjective. The term CODA is most commonly used by children of deaf adults as a means of self-identification, as well as by organizations made up of such people. Others outside of these communities and organizations, however, utilize it. Example, I'm a CODA, so keep in mind that ASL is my first language.